Okay, my brain is hurting from thinking about this so much, but I just wanted to check that what I'm doing is actually right. So this first video is supposed to be an example one that I thought was right, just because I feel like I get into the good position and then I've got a good racket lag there, and then the shoulders come through and it looks pretty relaxed. And then this next one's also an example of one that I thought was quite good. Like, it's just a bit quicker through the ball. I just look a lot more relaxed, and then elbows a bit higher at the start. You can just see the lag there. And then the one after this, I thought this one was a bad forehand because I kind of go too early with the hand and then I'm left waiting there. So, sorry, that's not great. So I go and then I'm kind of scooping the ball across and I don't really have anything through, so the hit doesn't really go, and then it's literally just the hand being put into the lag position. Okay, so this one's a high forehand. I thought this was alright because I actually get under the ball, so I'm kind of dropping there. So I have high elbow, and then I go and then drop and drive with the legs, so I thought that one was alright. So I didn't think the backhands were great, but I thought this one was alright. Like, I'm moving out to it, but I look relatively loose in the shoulders compared to most of them. And then, so I go, and then the butt cap's facing away, and then I drop and send. So I thought that one was not too bad compared to some of the ones on the long video. Okay, I don't know if this is the best example watching it back, but this one's supposed to be sort of bad backhand because I just felt like I'm catching them late and I just look really tense in the shoulders and I'm not really coming under the ball, although, and then I just like lean forwards with the shoulder and it just all looks kind of cramped up. Okay, ignore the background. This is for the next video, which is supposed to be an example of a bad high backhand. Like, these are the ones I'm finding really hard because kind of the higher the ball is, the more I feel like I need to tense up to get spark and generate. So this one here, I just feel like the ball's coming and then I struggle to set up, so I sort of lean into it, make myself late, and then have to pull across with the racket. And I just find these ones really hard. Okay, sorry, this video was a bit rubbish. In my mind, it was supposed to be like a kind of coach's eye video. Obviously, I've had to make it on iMovie, so it hasn't really worked, but I'm just struggling to understand this like technical stuff because there's quite a lot to remember, and I just want to be really clear in my mind because then when I go and play with Fran, I just think I'll improve a lot quicker. So overall, I just kind of think the forehand's alright. I can definitely be more relaxed, but I'm just struggling to understand whether I'm doing the kind of drop at the right time, like in the Fed video when he's super loose and he drops at the last minute, or whether I'm still doing it whether I'm still dropping too early and then just ending up with a hand. And the high backhand's like the one I'm finding really hard because when the ball's higher up, I'm just like tensing up. And because it's a bit slower as well, I just need to generate, so I'm pulling across. But I just wanted to see what you thought, and thought it might be easier to do it like this than typing it all out again. And then after this, I'm just sending a long video of the ones I took today. Like, you don't have to watch it, it's probably really boring. But I just wanted to see if you could compare it to the ones that I'm doing this week and just see whether it's like better or worse, because I don't really know whether it's good or bad. But yeah, sorry about all the questions and all the rubbish I just chatted. Thank you.